Alright, this is our gear insert part. So basically this will go inside of our sprocket for our claw. And this is what will connect to the actual claw mechanism. And as the gears turn, it'll either open or close the claw. So first off, we started with a cylinder, a 11.43 millimeter that's extruded down 19.05 millimeters. See? Next, just below it is another cylinder. It's 15 millimeters in diameter and extruded down 5.3 millimeters. So next we put a hole through the center of our first extrusion. Next we built the base. So this actually goes beneath the original two. It is a 57.5 length with a rectangle with an arc on the end, and the width is 7.5 millimeters, centered along the center line that touches the origin, and it goes 4 millimeters from the edge of the second boss extrude, and it goes 3.75 millimeters down. So on top of that, next we filleted it just to reduce the sharp edges, and also we wanted to reduce the amount of material used. Next boss extrude is actually goes right on top of the previous one, and this is just to line up flush with the second boss extrude. So this one we use convert entities to copy the face of the exposed from the last boss extrude, and it goes up 3 millimeters, so it matches up perfectly with the second cylinder. Next we have a hole. This hole is 4.5 millimeters in diameter, and this hole connects to the claw. This is where we put a screw through this, and it allowed for so that as the gear moves, it causes motion in the claw as well. This next hole is actually for our tuning fork, as we called it. So this spot is on both sides, so it allows us to decide which side we want the handle on. And so yeah, so this is what allows when the handle and the tuning fork moves together, it causes motion in the sprocket and also motion in the claw. This cut down is 3 millimeters down. We wanted to so it would fit flush. It was a little bit too high, so we wanted this to fit flush against the claw mechanism. So we had to cut it down slightly, and then we filleted the edge just to make it smooth and kind of reduce that margin, allow for a little bit more error in this place. Yeah, so this is our gear insert final.